Hello all, Simon Toohey here, brand ambassador for Dilmah, and I have got a delicious cocktail that you are gonna love. It's a penicillin, and not the drug, it's a cocktail. It is delicious and it is a classic, but I'm putting my own little twist on that. I'm using, from the Arana range by Dilmah, their Recovery Tea, and I'm starting by adding 60 mils of amazing Scotch whiskey into my shaker. Then I'm gonna make a tea syrup, and a strong tea syrup. It's really important. You want the tea to sing when it comes to this cocktail because it needs to match with all the other strong flavors. Then, with our amazing whiskey that's in our shaker, add some ginger, some fresh ginger. You can grate it, you can peel it, whatever you like. You just want some beautiful ginger in there. You want that medicinal, gorgeous ginger. Once you've got that in there, you want to add some lemon juice. So you're going to add 30 mils of lemon juice. And then with the syrup that you've made, you're going to add 20 mils of your gorgeous Awake tea syrup. Shake the cocktail up with some ice. If you haven't got a shaker, use a water bottle. If you haven't got a water bottle, put it in your mouth, shake your head side to side, whatever you want to do. Get that cocktail nice and diluted. Strain it into your favorite tumbler style glass. I've got a gorgeous Dilmah teacup. I thought this is quite perfect because it is also insulated, so it stays colder for longer. Anyway, so once you've strained it out into some ice, you're then going to get a smoky whiskey. Now you don't have to do this, but it adds just that little bit of something else. It makes this cocktail sing. So get a smoky whiskey, whatever you can find, and do a teaspoon or a dessert spoon, depending on how much you love smoke, into that cocktail at the top. Finish with some citrus. It could be some dehydrated lemon, it could be some lemon peel, it could be a lemon wedge. It's totally up to you. Put it in there on the side just to give it a little bit of something something. This is my take on a penicillin using the Recovery Tea by Dilmah's Arana range. I absolutely love it. Citrusy, spicy, beautiful and sweet with a great finish of smoke.